Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Recently ASUS TUF gaming laptop unboxing and my first impression I have been uploaded, and this video about the how to change the backlit color of the RGB keyboard in the ASUS TUF gaming laptop, and also I am going to tell you about the how to change the keyboard lighting in the ASUS ROG gaming laptop. So to change the color of the RGB keyboard, you need to just install one of the software in your laptop. So firstly head into the Microsoft store and that just search for the TUF in the search bar in case if you are using the TUF gaming laptop means, or in case if you are using a ROG gaming laptop means just search for ROG in the Microsoft store. After searching that, just install the TUF Aura Core or ROG Aura Core as per your model. Now just install that software into your laptop. Now after installing that software, just open that software, and this is how the software has been looks like. So in the first main page here is as the two tabs. One is the basic effects and the Aura settings. In the basic effects you see the keyboard. This is the actual current setting color available in the keyboard lighting, and after that here is this options like you can manage to control the brightness as per your wish, and after that it has the effects like static, breathing, color cycle and strobing, and here you can be able to change the colors as per your wish. So this is the TUF Aura Core tool to change the backlit colors of your gaming laptop. And similarly it has some of the effects like so it has a static effect. So static means this is the constant color that is activated throughout in your gaming laptop keyboard. And then it has the breathing effect. So in this breathing effect the keyboard backlit color will be blink as per the appropriate frequency, and also this effect has the customized tempo options. So it comes with the slow, medium and fast. So based on your selection the breathing frequency will take accordingly, and similarly this breathing option is also comes with the color option. You can change whatever color you need and just press that, and that's it. And you can change the slow or medium or fast breathing. So based on the selection the breathing effect will takes on as per that. And then here it comes with the color cycle. So this color cycle effect will gives you a random colors throughout, and also this color cycle is also comes with the customization of the different tempo mode like slow, medium and fast. Based on the color tempo selection the backlit keyboard colors will activated as per that. And finally here it comes the strobing. So this effect is like the dim and bright. The backlit color will dim and bright fastly as per that, and in this strobing effect you can able to change the backlit color as per your wish. So you can change the backlit color as per your wish through the color option. So these are all the procedure to change the backlit colors of your ASUS TUF gaming laptop, and using this TUF Aura Core you can able to switch to 4 different effects, and also you can select the effects as per your wish. And similarly this same procedure for the ASUS ROG gaming laptop. This is the one of the way to change your backlit keyboard colors in your ASUS TUF gaming laptop. And that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video hit the like, and if you guys having any doubt suggestion let me know in the comments below. And if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos hit the subscribe button below, and thanks for watching this video guys.